Hey guys, Tyler here with Secureteam. It's good to see you. I know many of you have been wondering where I've been, and suffice it to say, it's been a very traumatic and tough past couple of months, and an even worse past couple of weeks. The original reason I stopped posting videos was because I started going across the country to film a new documentary that I've been wanting to work on for years. Then I started getting threats to shut my channel down, to stop what I was doing, to basically cease and desist my truth-seeking, and to stop digging around, as they called it. I denied those requests, and I kept going. And before I knew it, one night, I was sitting in my house. I remember falling asleep, and the next thing I remember is waking up in my car with a police officer outside of it, who then charged me with DUI. Now, if any of you have known me for any number amount of years, and my family will tell you this, I'm not a drug addict, and I certainly do not drink alcohol. I think I've maybe drank a drink of alcohol maybe once every year, and that's usually at New Year's.
$20 worth of here.
Looks like you might have took out of when you see that mailbox smashed up.
Yeah, I seen that, and then came back on the road.
Yeah, that's what I'm
start way back there.
Yeah, I literally just got here too, so he's got him in the cruiser.
Okay.
Came out of the roadway. So that's all I know, man.
Okay.
I'll go up here so I can't leave up in the traffic.
Okay.
All right. But, yeah, I just asked him. He's after this thing. Yeah. And then finally he was just pocket taking one off. Where is he involved now? Up on top there. He kept trying to push it to get it to go on. I was like, no, brother, we don't want to do all that. Okay, so he's got to run some food to his church. I give him a statement. He got his driver's license information already with my dispatch and his phone number. Okay. So he can take off real quick. You would drop this off to you?
They can hold me. Okay. I'll be here for a little bit.
I'll probably just come right back.
Okay, that's fine.
Then I can do it then.
Details you can on.
Yeah,
that's fine.
So the driver's in my car. He's wobbly on his feet. He smells.
He reeks of it?
Yeah.
Did he,
I got this one on, by the way. There's a bottle of liquor right there. Well, I asked him if he'd been drinking today, and he'd give me a story about girls and things like that. We'll barely keep in touch.
Henry Ocean Union 3228. Henry Ocean Union 3228.
There to stop and start looking for it. And neighbors were out there like, he's already on down the road.
How you doing, sir? Trooper Nelson's my name. Come and step on that hair for me, okay? Come out here with me.
Everything all right?
Yeah, everything's all right. Got any weapons on you or anything? Okay. Any weapons in the vehicle? No guns? You're not the CCW or anything?
No.
None that you know of? Okay. Come on back here with me. Alright, that's your Jeep?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, come over here. Come over, lean against the car. You're steady there. Just lean up against the cruiser. Just lean it, turn around. Face me. Lean up against the cruiser there. Can you tell me what happened? Yeah, what happened with your Jeep? What's your Jeep doing in the ditch there?
morning, my wife had a big fight with me.
Okay.
I've been on antidepressants.
I smell alcohol on you, so how much have you had to drink today? Before you got in the car or while you was in the car, how much have you had to drink?
Maybe a drink here and there.
Drink here and there? There was a bottle of something in there in the console. What's that? A clear bottle.
I don't know. You know, sure.
That's your wife?
Not mine.
The what?
You thought there was somebody in there when I first put him in there.
Yeah.
Oh, no, there's no one else in the car that I know of.
Yeah, there's nobody in there.
It seems like every time you take him, I need to help him out doing this and that, or like, jumping on my case.
How many pills have you taken today?
No.
You haven't taken any pills?
No, I mean, I do take medicine. I take, sorry, I take medicine to go to sleep. I mean, you guys should probably be able to...
Okay, well, I'll
You
tell
guys
you what,
probably know the name of before that I do.
I don't. I'm not very good on medications or anything like that, but tell you what I'm going to do. I'll have you come back here at the back of this back of the truck here. Back here, sir. And just lean against this truck, okay? Okay, face me. Face me. Okay. And just lean up against the truck. Lean up against it. There you go. All right. What I'm going to have you do is follow my pin with your eyes, okay? To suspect alcohol. You've been drinking. I can smell it on you, okay? Well, you just said you was drinking throughout. You said you were drinking throughout the day. Well, anyway, follow my pin with your eyes, okay? Did you hit your head? Because you went off the road and you had a little accident. Did you hit your head? You hit your head? Okay. Put your hands in your cheeks like this for me. Keeps your head from moving, okay? Your head can't move during this test. Keep your hands in your cheeks for me. Just watch my pin with your eyes. See my pin in front of your eyes? What's my thumb doing?
Going back and forth.
All right. Keep your eyes open. Follow my pin, okay? So I'll tell you to stop, okay?
Yeah.
All right. You're like, really? I'm steady on your feet there. I don't want you falling over. No, keep your head still. Just move your eyes. Right, I am going to step. Okay.
Hey, man. Probably the test, man.
Well, yeah, you did. I'm going to put my cup a little more.
Yeah, sure.
Stay right there, okay? I can't even finish the test. He's like gun steady, so I'm just going to...
I think he's drunk.